Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox iPhone 14 Pro Max. iPhone 14 Pro Max was launched on 7 September 2022. iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max come in silver, gold, space black and deep purple. Both space black and deep purple are new colors this year. Storage space starts at 128 GB for most affordable versions of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, but 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB options are also available. MagSafe charging up to 15 watt continues to be supported, and fast charging over Lightning is available with a 20 watt or higher charger. iPhone 14 Pro models are much more feature-rich than the iPhone 14 models, offering camera technology improvements, better display capabilities, and a faster A16 chip and more. 6.1 and 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Pro models look like the iPhone 13 Pro models with flat edges, stainless steel enclosure, a textured matte glass back, IP68 water resistance and a ceramic shield protected display, but the camera bumps are larger to accommodate new lenses and the display has also changed. Apple added a 48 megapixel wide camera with a quad pixel sensor that adapts to the photo being captured, so the detail of a 48 megapixel photo is compressed into a 12 megapixel photo. There's a new f1.9 aperture front-facing true depth camera that's able to offer better low-light performance for selfie photos and videos. Battery life has been improved with the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, and it lasts an hour longer than the iPhone 13 Pro models. There is 6 GB RAM in the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, which is the same amount of RAM in the iPhone 13 Pro models. iPhone 14 Pro Max have an IP68 water resistance rating. They are able to withstand liquid that's up to 6 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. There is no longer a notch for the true depth camera system, with Apple instead adopting what it calls the dynamic island, a pill-shaped cutout at the front of the display that houses camera equipment and can change in shape and size using software depending on what's on the screen. iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max feature a new Super Retina XDR display with updated promotion technology that allows for an always-on display.
Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.